you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's manifestation box and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, February 2024 manifestation box and Mother Earth Wrap Club just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love this subscription. I love the crystal jewelry that is in here. I love everything that it represents, and I'm so excited to dive in and see what is in the February boxes. So first up, let's go ahead and go with the manifestation box, and then we will dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. For this one, if you do not know, you get 2 different meditation cards, one for you to gift and one for you to keep. You get your own astrology, so you tell them what sign you are when you sign up, so it comes custom for yourself. You get a healing crystal, you get a bracelet and a necklace. Now the bracelet and the necklace, you get to tell them the length that you would like. So again, this is really customized for you, and I love that. And I love their boxes, ready to manifest your dreams, manifest the life you want to live. Love it. So when we go inside, you always have a handwritten letter right on top. You have a cute little sticker that's holding the tissue paper down. And then a sneak peek to inside of the box is right there. So let's go ahead and go with all of the paperwork and stuff first. So for this one, it says Awakening the Heart Chakra, a journey of love and healing. So that is what we're working with for the month. So you have this whole thing here that you can go through and read. Again, that's what we'll be working with for this month. So you have that. Then there is the February 2024 astrology for Scorpio, because that is what I am. So I can go through and read that and kind of know what's happening for my sign for the month. And I love that. So you have that. And then the 2 different meditation cards are right here. This one says, Love doesn't need reason. It speaks from the irrational wisdom of the heart. Nice. So again, you have 2. So if you want to give one away, you can to another, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like, but you get 2 of them. Then she always puts in some of their promotional things, so you can see a little bit more jewelry that they have to offer, which is absolutely beautiful. Their stuff is just stunning. And you can also purchase their individual items, crystals and bracelets and necklaces and anklets and keychains and everything that they have to offer on their website. And you can actually use my code, which is SheCrafty, to save 20% off all products that's on their shop and your first month's subscription. And then here is another one going over some more information. So yeah, I just really love all of their jewelry. So let's go ahead and dive into the necklace. It's always in this little box right here, which has the manifestation box logo on it. You could always leave your jewelry in these boxes to store them, and they stay protected and nice and clean. Now with all of theirs, you get a card that goes over what crystal is used. And just say, for example, there's something like hanging, there could be like a mermaid or an anchor or something like that. Then they'll give you a card for that too, so you know what that represents. And I love that they give you these cards because you can keep them. You can always go back to use them as a reference. It has the picture on top, so you kind of know what to match it up to. And then it will explain what that crystal is. So, oh my gosh, this is super cute, and it's shaped like a little heart. Look at how adorable that is. So the chocolate moonstone, ooh, that's what it is. I love moonstone, and I didn't know there was a chocolate one. Get back into your groove with this crystal, the dreamy stone that channels the moon. Because of its lunar energy, the moonstone reminds us of the night sky and its steady and reliable cycle of the darkness giving way to light. It's a filling stone, enhancing understanding via intuition. But that is super pretty. It's just so dainty and small, but it's just absolutely beautiful. And again, you get to choose the length of your necklace. That is just super pretty. And let me hide this one. Never prepared. Why would I? Never prepared. Look at how tiny and cute. Okay, so there is the necklace for this month with the chocolate moonstone. Now let's dive in here and see what bracelet and healing crystal we are going to have. Oh, that is definitely different. I was thinking that, you know, it might match the necklace, but then you have like all these like purples and bright colors. I was not expecting that. This is Purple Galaxy Sea Sediment Imperial Jasper. That's a whole mouthful. Is that what that is? So there's that. I love all the different colors though. That is really, really pretty, but I just wasn't expecting that. So for this one, it does say that it is a gemstone of stability. It is said to protect against things that are not good for you, and it eases emotional stress, making it a wonderful gemstone to wear every day. It brings a sense of completeness and tranquility. Next time I fly, I should probably wear this one. When I flew like a week or two ago, I wore the one we got last month that had the turquoise and like the brown. It was brown and turquoise. I wore that one when I flew, just like I said, 2 weeks ago. So this one sounds like it would be a good one for me to actually wear next time I go to see my mom, which will be another time this year, but there's that right there. Super, super pretty. Now we have the healing crystal for this month, which could be anything and everything, different shapes, different stones, all of that. And this time we got this right here. Isn't that so cool? This is a Rainbow Aura Titanium Crystal Quartz. So there's that guy. I love like that blue to like the yellow color in there. That is super, super pretty. So this says the spiritual meaning of titanium aura quartz is one of strength and power. It is a stone that can be used to help you find your own inner strength and to empower you to reach your full potential. Oh, that's awesome. I just love those colors though. That's super, super pretty. Super, super pretty. So maybe since we're kind of going into spring, we're getting these nice little pretty bright colors, which is so cool. I don't have anything like any of these, so I'm excited. And this one is just so beautiful. I love that too. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the February manifestation box. We have the bracelet, we have the necklace, you have the healing crystal, the 2 meditation cards, what we're working with for the month, and your astrology. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the manifestation box. Now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. If this is going to be the same of this one, it's gonna look super, super pretty, all teeny tiny, but let's see. Sometimes they're the same, sometimes they're not. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in this one. For the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you do not get your astrology, what we're working with. You do not get a necklace or a healing crystal. It is mainly just for the wrap bracelet. And then there's one little gift item that could be anything and everything under the sun that you get, which I think that's really neat that there's one little gift item. This is a mystery, so you get a surprise. And then you get the wrap bracelet. You still get to choose the size of the wrist when you sign up, but you don't get all the other stuff that the other box has. So these are 2 completely different subscriptions. This one does come with the box the same, but it has the Mother Earth Wrap logo on it. And down in here is going to be the wrap bracelet. And it is that one. It is the Purple Galaxy Sea Sediment Imperial Jasper. So exactly what I read the last time. Oh my goodness, but you have to see this in the wrap bracelet. Look at how gorgeous. Not that this one isn't, but it just looks so different with the small. I gotta go pick that up. Okay, so now that I went and retrieved it, it is so, so pretty. Again, it's just completely different with the larger beads to the smaller beads for the wrap. I love them both, and I could never like choose. Like if I could only get one of them, I wouldn't really know which one to choose. They're just both so, so pretty and different, you know? I love them both for their own reasons. But look at how gorgeous that is, you guys. That is super, super pretty with all of those colors that are in there. Like so, so pretty. So let's get this one on. Oh, let me take this one off. This is theirs too. Again, I wear them every single day. So let's get this one on. Look at how beautiful. So you have the standard one here, and then the wrap here. You can wear them together, you can stack them, you can do whatever your little heart desires, but I think that is super, super pretty. I love the teal in there and the blues, lights to darks, the different purples. There's like burgundies. There's so many different colors in there. That is absolutely gorgeous. So in here, they also do have some more information to show you some more of their wrap bracelets. The wrap bracelets you can find on their website as well. I think this is one that I bought, or one very, very similar. I bought one that had the moonstone and it had the moon hanging and even a necklace. So you can definitely go and purchase anything individually if you don't want to jump to a subscription. So keep that in mind and still use my code to save that 20% off. And see, like this one right here, like if you stack them together, you just see how you can wear them all. And oh my goodness, look at that one right there. Absolutely beautiful. So again, I just love their jewelry. So with this one, again, you get the wrap bracelet, and then you get one gift item. This month, this is the gift item. It says Self-Care Master Plan, a framework for feeling good, free period press. It says, what if everyone had a personalized set of operating instructions to keep them grounded and resilient through life's ups and downs? The Self-Care Master Plan does just that. After you fill out each card, tear pages off to display or keep the book intact to reference as needed. You got this. So when you open it up, it says things I like to do. So I guess you can write down things that you like to do. People I like to see. Power songs, my strengths, my imaginary vision board, mantra or word of the year, taking care of my body looks like, things to do when I'm feeling sad or burnt out, self-care at work looks like, a meaningful life looks like, my ideal sleep routine is to get some, I'm grateful for. And then on the back of each one, it gives you some prompts, it gives you some thought shares, and gives you just some more information about that specific thing that it's talking about. So Self-Care Master Plan. So there's the free item for this box. So that is everything for February's Mother Earth Wrap Club. You have your beautiful wrap bracelet and then your free item. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for February's Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box. What did you think of the items that were inside? What do you think of the crystal? What do you think of the necklace? If you had to choose one, which one would you choose for yourself? The manifestation box or the Mother Earth Wrap Club? Let me know down below what you think. If you want a little bit more information about this box and the pricing, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty to save 20% off their online shop or your first month's box. Are you ready to manifest your dreams? Choose your plan. So if you do the manifestation box month to month, it's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And if you go to a full 12-month prepaid plan, you will get your box price discounted down to $33 per month. If you want to go to the Mother Earth Wrap Club, the pricing is still the same. You get your wrap bracelet and your one free item. That one is $39 per month. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per month. Again, you can purchase anything individually from their website. The owner also does donate, and I absolutely love that because shopping with them, you're actually helping others as well. So anytime you do shop with them, a percentage does get donated. And I absolutely love that because then we're all helping each other. I love that. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. I will have them linked down below in the description box if you'd like to take a look at them, see what they have to offer, the subscription or the online shop to get anything individually. If you have any other questions of discount codes or you want to know more about me or my animals, you can always check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so then you can see all the different videos that I do. I do several different ones, so if you see one that you want to watch, you can click it. If you see one that doesn't interest you, then you can wait until the next one to see if that does. Again, I do so many different ones, so if you want to be subscribed, you can see everything that I do. that is everything again for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.